Good morning, Magic Kingdom.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. Anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you got the compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. This here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Sun. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. Just ahead, I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. Carrier strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That's something good for a few bucks. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Alright, if we're going to disembark, please make sure that we remain seated. Even if you think we've come to a stop, please make sure that we do not stand up and do not exit the train until I give you the all clear. Please remain seated. Alright, that's the all clear. Please watch ahead and watch your step and enjoy your day here at Magic Kingdom.
What?
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the truck. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love finding this railroad. But those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder. Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Cause there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake. It's so sweet, Dad. That's not a snake. It's a train. Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow! Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find you stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to start. Dumpling for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Alright, everybody, for your safety, please remain seated. Do not stand up, do not exit the vehicle until I give you the all clear. Alright, that's the all clear. Please go ahead and step to your seat or right seat up at the station and exit the car here. Board.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, U.S.A. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad.
Because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland. for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, U.S.A. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of them. And while we're being here, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a full complete stop. Like the all words, all clear to disembark. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. All clear. Please watch your step at the exit. Get all personal belongings.